Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Angry and today I got a new video for you guys. This is basically gonna be a short video, but it's gonna differ a lot in your development process. Alright, so basically, if you don't know what a difference between a child theme and a parent theme is, the parent theme is basically just like the original theme you download online. So let's say for example I just go into my appearance over here and I just download a theme, and I want to, like for example this 2022 theme for example, and I want to modify it and make a child theme. So what happens is basically you get the same code for this and you install like a child theme for your WordPress website. But again, I do not recommend this, and even on the WordPress website they do not recommend this. Let me tell you why. Because basically if you have a lot of modifications on your website, that's going to be really hard to manage in the long run. However, if you're using like a theme that you're just like modifying it just a little bit or so on, that's fine. So you could use that child theme like method, but I'm not going to use this method. And as you can see, even on the WordPress website, it says it's worth nothing that making extensive customizations from within a child theme can eventually become a management headache. For these more extensive projects, it's often better to fork the original theme and create a full parent theme of your own. So basically it's telling you to make your own kind of theme. So even like it's telling you to copy like another theme and just use the parent theme and modify it. So why don't you just even like make your own theme, just to understand the structure and what's going on in your project and what packages are being used, what scripts are being added, and so on and so forth. So again, this is how you can make a child theme. All right, if you guys want to check that out, again, like I said, this is not something I would do, but again, you can just do that, and basically as you can see, it's just creating another like file of the theme, as you can see over here. Just download it and activate it, and basically you're just gonna customize your own child theme. So basically you're just adding in the same theme again, but you're adding in the customizations to it. So again, if you want to do that, you can do that, but again, this is not the purpose of this tutorial. But however, I wanted to leave this there. Again, if you're not looking to create your own like advanced custom WordPress website from scratch, then you don't have to watch the rest of the tutorial. You can just go to this documentation and start reading how child themes are being used. All right, so again, thank you for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to be adding WooCommerce, and basically we're going to set that up from scratch as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Angry and peace.